Okay, so this is my storage situation. I know it's bad. One of the biggest problems I have is just having enough storage for all the tools that I have. Putting them away so I can easily find them is going to be so important and life-changing in terms of my efficiency, so I can't wait to get up this resin shed. It's important to consider where to put your shed. So you can see I have mine in an open space, it's level, it's flat, I have the proper base. You can either anchor it to concrete or to wood. It's gonna look cute in the backyard. It's gonna be 8 by 10, so it's gonna be plenty of space. It's really gonna help organize my life and all of my stuff. Before building the shed, I unboxed everything and started assembling the different parts per the instructions. The nice thing is that all the pieces are individually light, which is easier to move around, but when they're put together, it becomes quite a strong structure. Having somebody to help out is definitely important for this shed. I did a lot of it on my own, but was able to call in help for certain parts that you definitely wanted 2 people for. Plus, doing things together is always more fun than doing something by yourself. And oh yeah, check out these cute little shelves. Okay, we're done. Yay! Now I just get to stock it with all of my stuff. It's so spacious. This shed is going to be super easy to clean as it's made of resin.